Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, teachers. In order to add question paper into your Google Classrooms for SA1 exams, you need to click on Google Classroom application, go to the required subject class, click on the classwork here, click on this plus button and click on assignment. Here give the title of that particular subject exam. So I'm giving one example. Okay, then add few descriptional points to it, like it will be a MCQ and you can add any description. Then you need to give the points here. So as the exam will be for 25 marks, give 25 points. Now in order to schedule this for the particular date and time, you need to click on this three dots, click on schedule. Here the schedule bar will appear. You need to click on the date on which day you want the assignment to be visible to students. Suppose it's on 3rd November and the time would be 10 o'clock, or you can just select the time you want. So I'm giving it 11 o'clock, and then after giving it a start time, we need to give it an end time as well. Suppose the exam is for 1 hour, so you need to click on this due, and again due, same 3rd November, and add the time here. Suppose it is starting at 11 o'clock, so it should end by 12. Okay, and 12:30, it should end by 12:30. So this is how I'll be scheduling it, and in order to keep it in a proper sequence, I'm adding a topic as a software. Click on save. Now the very important thing is to add the question form link. Your Google question form link will be given by your respective departmental heads, so you need to copy paste the link from the form into your Google Classrooms. For that, you need to click on this paper pin button which is present over the top and click on link. Then go to the form, keep a form open which is given by your respective heads. Then click on this arrow button which is present over here. Then second one here is the link, shorten URL, copy it. Then come back to your Google Classroom, long press on add link such that paste option is available. Here the link of the form is pasted, click on add. This is how you have add the assignment attachment, which is a Google form link, and then just cross check whether it is fine with the respective date and time, and click on schedule such that this assignment will be visible to students during SA1 exam, proper time and date. And students time bar, it will not show timeline, it will not show, but for you it will be showing in this particular format, which is scheduled for so and so date and so time. Jazakallah.